Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Apple price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the 2 weeks chart, here we have of course our all-time bullish and bearish scenario where we have 1 2 1 2 1 2 triple 1-2s as a main scenarios, and we're moving towards the upside with the main wave 3 in the orange here. Inside this wave 3, of course, you will face many counts. As you can see, triple 1-2s, a one more wave toward the upsides, which is your wave 3 currently. Now, of course, we have some corrections here, and we're looking, of course, for continuation after this correction toward the upside, definitely after having those triple 1-2s. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 potentially. We are currently in a wave 5 where, of course, we're going to dive a little bit deeper inside it here to see what's going on the daily chart inside this wave 5. Inside this wave 5, after, of course, ABC for your wave 4 here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, potentially continuation toward the upside, or even it can be double 1-2. We're gonna see, of course, the reaction over there. If we get a very extended wave, we might have, of course, a wave 3 here after double 1-2, so we have to expect double 4-5 later on. We're gonna see how this is gonna unfold, but basically these are the scenarios. Currently we're looking at this wave 4 potentially finished here exactly, and we're looking here a second wave 4 as 3 waves down, 3 waves up, potentially 1 2 3 4 5 maybe, right? But yeah, if we take, of course, the fib levels here inside it, let's move on the 4-hour chart inside it. On the fib levels, if you take the fibs here, you have reached already the 0.5 fib level taken from this move here, meaning yeah, this would be the deepest fib level for a wave 4. Don't forget that this price action right now give a little bit much higher possibility that we are in double 1-2 here, because this has started to be a fib for a wave 2 rather than a wave 4. Meaning if you are in ABC, hitting the 0.5 is much more closer for a wave 2, and that means, of course, we might face a wave 3 toward the upside after this double 1-2s again. So we're gonna see how this is going to unfold. Basically, we are in the blue box, perfect hit as expected, and we are expecting to move for higher from here, unless, of course, we still have one more move toward the downside. We're gonna estimate this inside it, of course, on the 1-hour chart for the micro. On the micro analysis, we can see, of course, in this case, that we are looking to finish this wave toward the downside in case we are in a wave C or in a wave 2 as explained. So we have potentially here 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4 and a 5, meaning if we zoom in inside this wave here, you can see that yeah, we might expect still, of course, some counting here to be finished. It can be, of course, 3 waves if we want to lay this one as A, B, and a C here, very small one. And your wave C is 1 2 3 4 and a 5. It can be finished, guys. In this case scenario, you want to move for higher. As we can see, we potentially have a leading diagonal for wave 1 2, and we have another impulse and wave 2 again, potentially moving for higher. Now another scenario or count for this for this move can be a 1 2, potentially a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 for your wave 3, and then 4 and a 5. So of course the possibility is still there, guys, for bearish always, and in this channel we always estimate both bearish and bullish scenario. In case we are bearish, I believe that we still have 4 5 4 5 to finish, meaning this 1 2 3 4, you are currently in a wave 4 and a 5 to finish wave 3, then ABC for a wave 4 again, and final wave 5 to finish this impulse for a wave C potentially. But don't forget, meaning all of this can shift, can shift to this area. But currently we have a scenario also as ABC that it can be finished here, so we cannot, of course, just skip it. We might move for higher from here, and that because it might finish it in WX and a Y, WX and a Y. Now bigger bearish scenario, which I of course doubt it so far, where we have 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards the downside, but I doubt this one. We have to break first these scenarios and re-estimate the price. If we see, of course, impulsive price, meaning continuation, if we see 3 waves and continuation towards the downside, therefore we're heading, of course, to the 190 for a wave 3 potentially, but far scenario currently. I'm still watching those levels and looking, of course, potentially for higher. Don't forget, today is a very volatile day. It's gonna be the interest day decision for the FOMC. So yeah, be careful. It's gonna be volatile, and yeah, trade safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.